parrot. It's not just the beautiful plumage, although I do like to look good.
Yeah, confident.
I'm the parrot because I live my life at high speed. It can be dangerous. Very dangerous. And that's the way I like it.
Dangerous job.
Dangerous high speed.
What I do, others find terrifying.
Comedian, that's tough.
In my career, I have flown all over the world, following the sun.
Why would you follow the sun? Would you love a tan?
I didn't always display model behaviour, but what I do takes a lot of physical courage.
Someone who's got a model girlfriend.
I'm a parrot who's not afraid of a cat walking by.
A good-looking sportsman.
Parrots aren't known as songbirds. I think I can change all that. I'm here to win the Masked Singer. It's a dream come true, and I plan to go all out.
I think it's a surfer that married a model.
Oh, surfer for sure with the song.
And another thing I've been wondering lately. Oh, baby, tell me where have you been?
Sounds like the original.
Now the stage is set, where's my Juliet, baby? Or is it maybe my midsummer night's dream? What's my scene? What's my scene? What's my scene? Tell me, I gotta know. What's my scene? What's my scene? They say, making love, you can make it pay. They say, we don't live the better way. Any day. Oh, where can I see me? What's
Parrot, ladies and gentlemen!
That was extraordinary. What did you make of that, Dave?
I absolutely loved it, and I was so proud when Lindsay Lohan knew that song, Australian classic, the Hoodoo Gurus. They're a classic Australian band, and it was done very well. Good on you, Parrot. Good on you.
It's a surfer song because my brother's a surfer and he listens to that. And Chasing the Sun reminds me of chasing the waves.
Yeah.
And it's a dangerous sport if you're riding a really big wave in Pipeline. I think I have some ideas of who you are.
Firstly, when I saw the catwalk, I was thinking, is that Chris Smith?
Well, he's your ex. You should know if it's Chris Smith.
He
Does
loves
he sing?
singing.
Oh, no.
He loves singing to every bit of music
And is
that's
he a
on.
good singer?
He raps better than he sings,
What would you
actually.
feel like
He
if
likes
it was your
rapping.
ex?
It'd be awkward. 50 Shades of Awkward.
But you know what he sounds like in the dark, don't you?
Oh my God.
What, as in like you were...
You're going to regret that.
I'm serious. You're like... Anyway, that was...
You're just getting cocky now, Hughesy.
I'm not... Well, he's a parrot.
Then I'm thinking, could be someone with a model girlfriend, Shane Warne. His girlfriend was Liz Hurley. Then I was thinking,
Hang
is
on,
it
Chase
like...
the Sun as well.
Yeah.
You look at Warnie's...
Loves a tan.
Yeah, he chases it out of a solarium.
I started thinking, are you some sort of football player? You've got the legs for it, that's for sure. Is that someone like the Honey Badger?
Oh.
He loves singing too.
He
Does
loves
he?
singing and he
Always.
has done modelling.
Lindsay, you want to know who the Honey
Yeah.
Badger is? He was the Australian Bachelor and he got to the final. He had two girls to choose from and he made them both go home.
Maybe he wasn't in love. Isn't that what that show's about?
No. All right.
Are you involved in any way in the fashion industry?
I must say, I've had a lot of form on the runway in my early years.
He's saying that he's been with a lot of models. Well, that's what he's saying. I mean,
He didn't say good form, he said a lot of form.
yeah. He's been a bad boy. I reckon he's been a bad boy. I'm going with Shane Warne. I believe it is Shane Warne. I mean, you've helped me
That's a
there. I
great guess,
believe it's
Husey.
Shane Warne.
I think it's Kelly Slater.
The greatest surfer
I
of all
could be
time.
completely wrong, but he's a great surfer.
The best.
He's very behind the scenes. He's always done campaigns.
He was quite the model in his earlier years.
Yeah.
Still is, mate. Very handsome.
Oh, swish, swish, bish.
I was thinking Warnie.
Yeah?
Yeah, Shane Warne.
I'll lock in Honey Badger.
We need to see his tradie undies.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Parrot, I have binoculars. It's okay. Oh, yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, that's not pervy at all, Jackie.
Our panel thought that one of these celebrities might be behind the mask. Who do you think it is?
It's down to Parrot and Rhino. One of you will have to take off your mask. The favourite performer is... Rhino!
Thank goodness. I really wanted Rhino to stay.
Congratulations, Rhino. We'll see you sing again next time. Well done, Rhino. Which means, Parrot, you are our unmasked singer.
Who is it?
Guessing panel, this is your last chance. Who do you think is behind the mask, Jackie?
I'm still going with Honey Badger.
Honey Badger.
Yeah.
Is that Nick Cummins under there?
Could be. We'll soon find out.
I'm gonna stick with Kelly Slater.
Kelly Slater.
It'd be such a great reveal if Kelly Slater just took it off.
Yeah, there's some fantasies coming out up here, mate, so...
Husey, in your fantasy, who's behind the mask?
Me and Danny, I believe, have the same fantasy,
Yeah.
which is strange.
Yeah. Warnie!
Shane Warne!
Oh, if it's Shane Warne,
We
I'm
think
telling
it's
you.
Warnie.
Yeah. He likes to follow the sun.
Follows the sun, absolutely.
Catwalk.
Model, girlfriend.
Everything falls into place.
Yes.
I will be shocked if it's not Shane Warne.
I'll be shocked if it is Shane Warne. Seriously.
Well, here we go.
Well,
here we
let's
go.
find out.
This is it. It's time to take it off.
Who is it? Are we right? Are we right? We've got to be right. It's got to be Warnie.
It's not Shane Warne. Can't be.
Take it off already.
Take it off. I feel like I'm at a hen's party. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
It's Brett Lee. Test cricket legend, World Cup legend. This is Brett Lee, the fastest bowler Australia's ever produced. Brett Lee, you've taken 700 wickets for Australia. Now take a microphone, Brett Lee.
Yes!
You're standing up here. You got the panel convinced that you're Shane Warne.
They're close. I was going to roll my arm over.
Well, I said Kelly Slater.
I can't surf.
I said Honey Badger. I know you're not a heartbreaker, I'm sure.
No, but sang very,
did
very
well.
well. We should have known Warnie can't sing like that. He's had...
Now, you've got kids. What's it going to be like trying to explain to them what's happening when they see you pull your head off on television?
When we watch it with our whole family, they'll be going, what? I can't wait till my parents see it. I cannot wait. Surprise!
Oh, Dad!
Dad's a giant bird on TV, kids. Ladies and gentlemen, Brett Lee. Would you please thank Jackie O, Lindsay Lohan, Dave Hughes, and Danny Minogue. How did you go? Did you get it right? Did you think it was Brett Lee under the mask? In our next show, more clues, more huge performances, and another celebrity reveal. To sing us out one last time, Australia, Brett Lee!
What's my scene? What's my scene? Tell me, I gotta know. What's my scene? They say,